Import numpy as np. From cp linalg import lu. A equal to np dot array in bracket input matrix. Now to find determinant of A. Print in bracket np dot linalg dot deta. To find inverse of matrix. Print in bracket np dot linalg dot inva. To find transpose of matrix. Print in bracket A dot transpose. To find multiplication of matrix C and A. CA equal to NO dot in bracket CA. To find multiplication of A and C transpose. CT equal to C dot transpose. Now, ACT equal to NP dot in bracket ACT. Print in bracket ACT. To create identity matrix and determinant. Import numpy as np. I equal to np dot identity in bracket 5 comma d type equal int. Print I. For determinant. Print in bracket np dot linalg dot det I.